If you are in the area along Tayuman Street, Manila, and looking for a hearty place to eat, there's a hidden gem just around the corner. The Unnoticed place is located on the second floor of an old apartment building where you'll find a dining place that caters to unlimited samgyeopsal and buffet in one, from noon till midnight. Hello fellow food trippers, please join us on this food trip to dine at SACHON Asian Cuisine at 1443 Tayuman Street, Santa Cruz, Manila, across from new Fabella Hospital. With the unlimited Samgyeopsal and Asian Buffet, SACHON Asian Cuisine can satisfy your craving at a budget-friendly price of only 399 pesos net per person. The premium quality Samgyeopsal meats are beef, chicken, and pork. The beef is in plain, Yakiniku, Enoki roll, and spicy kinds. The chicken meats are in Dak Galbi, barbecue, spicy, and Inasal flavors. The pork meats come in plain, spicy, barbecue, samgyeopsal, miso, thick pork belly, and moksal varieties. The flavorful and tender grilling meats are a pleasure to eat. Drizzled with unlimited melted cheese and eaten with sides like kimchi, marbled potatoes, pickled cucumber, and pressed lettuce. The eat-all-you-can Samgyeopsal comes together with the Asian Buffet. It starts with the do-it-yourself hot pot and pressed salad. Along with plain and fried rice are delicious hot mains of chapchai noodles, Korean barbecue-style meatballs, beef bulgogi, fried fish cake, honey sriracha chicken wings, chicken karaage, with Korean kimbap and Japanese sushi roll, spicy kani roll, California maki, and the sweet rolled omelette, tamagoyaki. also indulge with second and third servings of the savory Japanese snack takoyaki, grilled in a reverse dome-shaped griddle pan. The ball-shaped pancake-like snack with bits of octopus, delicious sauce, seasonings, and bonito flakes is full of umami goodness that will have you craving more. We also satisfied our sweet tooth with Filipino desserts like mango jello and maja blanca. We also leave some space to cup our meals with unlimited taro milk tea, Okinawa milk tea, and red tea. With the rapid increase of unlimited Samgyeopsal restaurants, the competition for this mouth-watering cuisine is endless, which helps to lower buffet prices. SACHON Asian Cuisine deserves recognition for its value-for-money rates, premium quality meats, a selection of good food, and fast, attentive service. For dining reservations, birthdays, barkada promos, and their new enticing but limited promo of 299 pesos net per person every Monday to Thursday from January 13 until March 10, 2025 only. Call or message cell phone number 0939 901 4028. So come and reserve your seats with your friends and loved ones at SACHON Asian Cuisine for a more budget-friendly indulgence. We'll see you on our next food trip at Yamdam Dim, Sikatuna Village, Quezon City. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Thank you for watching.